chalk line, glue, pencil, a tape measure, craft knife, straight edge, applicator gun, cloth, level,
the substrate to which the organic blocks is installed must be cured, that is, painted or primed, structurally sound and flat, free of voids, dry, clean, and free of any contaminants that would affect adhesion, such as dust, adhesive, drywall compound, etc. If any of these characteristics are not met, it is imperative to fix them prior to installation. Organic blocks is a natural product, so the tiles can expand when facing high relative humidity conditions, or shrink in low air relative humidity conditions. To avoid or minimize this reaction, packaged tiles should be acclimatized on site for at least 72 hours before installation. Acclimation is achieved by opening the boxes of the organic blocks and allowing air to flow between the individual pieces. There are a number of shapes within the organic blocks collection, each with a different size and thickness. Each shape comes in a box with a different quantity of pieces in the same color. How to assemble the different pieces depends on the shape within the collection. If a pattern combination is intended, create the pattern on the floor before installation. Please note, it is always recommended to mix boxes. As cork is a natural material, the product has natural variations in size, color, and shape. This is expected and is one of the beauties of using organic blocks. For horizontal or vertical full wall installations, it is recommended to use a level tool to mark off a horizontal level line and then another line vertically at the center of the space to which the organic blocks is being installed. Where the lines cross is where you should begin.
Install Muratto tiles using one of the following adhesives: Ultra Bond Eco 575, Ultra Bond MS Rapid, Henkel One for All. Please note that other options may be available in the market, but these mentioned have been tested by us.
Firmly press each tile and ensure it is straight.
Ensure there is good adhesive transfer to the back of the cork tiles.
To finish the corners, cut the piece using the recommended tool, then glue the piece to the wall with the cut side facing inwards.
Enjoy your Muratto creation and please share it with us.